Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Acura RDX. To begin, locate and press the Setup button on your vehicle's dashboard. Once the menu appears, use the selector knob to scroll through the options until you find Clock Adjust. Press the selector knob to select this option and proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Clock Adjustment menu, you'll see options for the hour and minute. To adjust the hour, rotate the selector knob left or right until the correct hour is displayed. Remember to pay attention to the AM or PM indicator. Once the hour is set, press the selector knob to confirm your selection and move to the next field. With the hour now set, you can proceed to adjust the minutes. Rotate the selector knob again, this time to cycle through the minute values until the precise minute is shown. Take a moment to ensure the time is exactly as you want it. After setting the minutes, press the selector knob one final time to confirm this adjustment. After confirming both the hour and minutes, look for an option like SET or OK on the screen and select it to save your new time. Finally, press the Setup or Back button to exit the clock adjustment menu and return to your main display. Your Acura RDX clock is now accurately set and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.